The kinetic energies of two similar cars A and B are 100 joule and 225 joule respectively. On applying brakes, car A stops after 1000 meter and car B stops after 1500 meter. If FA and FB are the forces applied by brakes on cars A and B respectively, then the ratio of FA and FB is. So here the kinetic energies of the two similar cars are given, and on applying force, that is on applying brakes, the two cars stops at different distances, that is one is 1000 meter and another is after covering a 1500 meter. We have to calculate the ratio of FA and FB. Now we know that the work done is force into displacement. So for car A, the work done, so the kinetic energy is equal to the work done, that is force FA into distance SA. So the kinetic energy of A is equal to the work done, and for B, the kinetic energy of B is equal to the work done, that is force FB into SB, that is force into displacement. Now we divided kinetic energy A by kinetic energy B. Now kinetic energy of A is 100 joule, that is 100 joule, and kinetic energy of B is 225. So 225 joule is equal to FA into SA. Now the car A stops after 1000 meters, so SA is 1000, this is 1000, and FB into SB, now SB is 1500 meters, so 1500, so 20 cancels and here is another. So this basically becomes FA divided by FB is equal to 10 into 15 divided by 225. Now 5 into 3 is 15 and 5 into 4 is 20, so 22, that is 5 into 5, and 3 into 15 is 45. So this is 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s, this is becomes 2 by 3. So FA divided by FB is equal to 2 by 3. So here the option 2 is the correct answer. So here we use the work energy principle, that is the kinetic energy of the car is equal to the work done by the brakes. So thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video.